Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are so in Ghana, and since we have so many exotic super fruits around, today we are making one of my favorite smoothies. That is papaya ice cream smoothie or pawpaw ice cream smoothie. Come with me and let's make this exotic, delicious, healthy smoothie. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. Come with me and let's make this sensational smoothie together. Thank you. For our ingredients for making our papaya ice cream smoothie, we'll be needing our papaya, that is the main ingredients, vanilla ice cream, ice cubes, and we have our full milk. And also I'm going to use the pink cream for garnishing later to make it look beautiful. So these are the ingredients we'll be. I'll start by peeling my pawpaw or papaya. Guys, what type of papaya do you like? Do you like it soft or hard or in between? Because for me, I like it in between. I don't want it when I'm using it for ice cream. When it's wrapped, it's okay, but when I'm using it in my smoothie, I want it not too over wrapped, not too hard, but in between, like this one is okay. So comment below and let me know. And if you're watching my videos and you have not subscribed, please guys, subscribe and be part of this great family. And also leave me a comment below, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for your love and support. Really appreciate you guys. Really from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you guys so much. I'm not going to throw the seed away. I'm going to put them in my garden, guys, you know, because when you put them in the garden, the next 6 months you see papaya coming, growing in your garden. Go ahead and cut them into pieces in our blender. This smoothie is superfood. You know, papaya is known to be superfood. It's one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. So guys, you should eat a lot of papaya, but sometimes when you give it to kids, they find it difficult. Most of the kids don't like eating papaya raw, but when you make it with things like this, with the ice cream, oh, it takes your papaya to the next level. Then your children will always ask for more. I'll go ahead and add the ice cubes because it's really warm in Ghana, so we want our smoothie to be. I'll go ahead and add mine, and I'll add my full cream, full milk, sorry. I'll go ahead and add my vanilla ice cream. Let's go ahead and serve our papaya ice cream milkshake smoothie. All shake, guys. Look at the colors here. Our papaya ice cream milkshake is ready, guys. We'll go ahead. Let's go ahead and make it a little bit nicer with some whipping cream. Thank you so much, guys, for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy papaya or pawpaw milkshake, ice cream milkshake. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye.